You must have seen pipes which carry water and transport waste from our homes. Did it ever appear to you why are these pipes always circular? Why aren't they square or triangular or any other shape? Before we answer these questions, let me take you some thousands of years back to a king. Now, there was this king. He was very happy with the work of his gardeners. So, he wanted to reward them. But he rewarded them in a different manner. He gave a 12-meter rope to each of them and he told them to make any shape on the land with this 12-meter rope. Now, he would fill the shape made by each gardener with gold coins, and whatever gold coins fit into the shape would be given to each gardener. So they could make any shape of their choice, and all the gold coins that would fit into the shape would be given to them. So these gardeners make different shapes. He made a triangle, he made a square, he made a hexagon, and he made a circle. Now, this all will be filled with gold coins, and as many gold coins that would fit into each of the shape will be given to the corresponding gardener. So essentially, each of them would get the gold coins equal to the area of the shape that they make. So he would get the gold coins equal to the area of this triangle. He would get the gold coins equal to the area of this square. For him, it's the area of hexagon, and for him, it's the area of this circle. So let us find the area of these shapes and see who gets the maximum number of gold coins. But remember, the perimeter is fixed because the king gave a rope of the same length, that is 12 meter, to each of them. So they have to make the shape with the same perimeter. So now, for perimeter equal to 12 meters, this triangle, which has all sides equal, each side will be equal to 4 meter because all the sides of this triangle are equal and perimeter is 12 meter. So each side will be 12 divided by 3, that is 4 meters. We know that the area of a triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, that is root 3 by 4 side square, which is root 3 by 4 into 4 square, which is equal to 4 root 3. And when we calculate it, it comes out to be 6.92 meters square. So for this triangle, each side measures 4 meter and the area is 6.92 meters square. For the square, the perimeter is 12 meter. So the length of each side is 12 divided by 4, that is 3 meter. Area of a square is side square, that is 3 into 3, which is 9 meters square. So the area of this square is 9 meters square. Now if we consider this hexagon, then each side will be 12 divided by 6 because there are 6 sides. So 12 divided by 6, that is 2 meters. Area of a regular hexagon is 3 root 3 by 2 into side square, that is 2 square. So this is equal to 6 root 3 meter square. On calculating, this comes out to be 10.39 meters square. And for this circle, when the perimeter is 12 meter, it means that the circumference is 12 meter, that is 2 pi r is equal to 12 meter. From here, we can find the radius. So radius will be 12 divided by 2 pi. So 12 divided by 2 pi, which is equal to 6 by pi. And if we have the r, that is the radius, we can calculate the area of this circle using pi r square, that is pi into r square, which is 6 by pi whole square. So on simplifying, we get the radius of this circle as 1.91 meter and the area as 11.45 meter square. So we see that the gardener who made the circle was the smartest, because among all these figures, the circle has the highest area for a given perimeter. So he gets maximum number of gold coins. So the gardener who made the circle was the smartest. Now observe something here. For the same perimeter, as the number of sides increases in a regular polygon, by regular polygon we mean that all sides are equal. So we see that this triangle, this square, this hexagon, they have all the sides as equal. So in a regular polygon, as the number of sides increases, the area increases for the same perimeter. So for the same perimeter, a square has a higher area than a triangle. A hexagon has a higher area than a square. Similarly, a circle can be considered as a regular polygon with infinite number of sides. So it is a regular polygon with infinite number of sides. So it has the maximum area for a given perimeter. That is, for a given perimeter, the area of a circle is more than any other regular polygon. So circle, since it can be considered as a polygon with infinite number of sides, and as we can see, as the number of sides increases, the area for a given perimeter increases. So for a given perimeter, a circle will have the maximum area. So for a given perimeter, a circle has the maximum area. That is, the area of a circle is more than any other polygon, any other regular polygon which can be made with this perimeter. Now what if we consider it the other way round? That is, we fix the area and see what is the perimeter of the different shapes. Earlier, we had fixed the perimeter and we had seen that the circle has the maximum area for a given perimeter. Now, we fix the area and see how the perimeter of the shapes changes. On calculating, you'll find that the perimeter of the triangle is 18.24 meter. Perimeter of a square with area 16 meter square is 16 meter. Perimeter of a regular hexagon with area 16 meter square is 14.89 meter. And perimeter of a circle with area 16 meter square is 14.17 meter. Recall that perimeter of the circle here means the circumference of the circle. Now again, you observe that as the number of sides of the regular polygon increases, for a given area, the perimeter decreases. So for a given area, a circle has the least perimeter among all the regular polygons that can be formed with the given area. So now can you say, why are pipes circular? Well, we have seen that a circle has the maximum area for a given perimeter. Also, it has the least perimeter for a given area. So, if we require a particular area, that is for a fixed cross-sectional area, if we form a circle, it would require lesser amount of material than any other shape. So in order to save material and to save cost for a given area, the pipes are made in a circular manner because circles have the highest area for a given perimeter. And not only pipes, if you observe, most of the containers that you see around you, they are circular in shape. This is because it can hold more area, it has a higher cross-sectional area with lesser perimeter. That is, it has a higher cross-sectional area and lesser amount of material is required, so a lot of cost is saved. So we see that among all the regular polygons which can be formed with a given perimeter, a circle has the maximum area. Also, among all the regular polygons which can be formed with a given area, a circle has the least perimeter. So area to perimeter, that is the cross-sectional area to perimeter ratio, is the highest in the case of a circle.